Well, for what it's worth, Sheeran never denied that these songs have extremely similar chord progressions and rhythms, and he even played a mashup of these two songs in concert before the lawsuit was even filed. But there's a reason he spent 6 years fighting this case instead of settling and moving on with his life. Sheeran's defense argued that the court granting ownership of chords and rhythm to anyone would be harmful to composers everywhere, and set a dangerous precedent, giving specific songwriters an impermissible monopoly over a basic musical building block.
I really felt like I had to take a stand. Yes, it's a chord sequence that you hear on successful songs, but if you say that a song in 1973 owns this, then what about all the songs that came before? We found songs from like the 1700s that had similar melodic stuff. No one's saying that songs shouldn't be copyrighted, but you just can't copyright a chord sequence. You just can't.
Sheeran even threatened to quit music if he lost the suit, saying artist freedom would be so limited by an unfavorable ruling that there would be no creativity allowed in songwriting anymore.
If you can't use a C chord to a G chord because someone in the 60s used a C chord to a G chord, it just takes the joy out of it. It just sucks the fun out of it.
To make his point, Sheeran brought his guitar to the witness stand and played dozens of songs that use similar chords and rhythm to show how nobody can truly own these elements in pop music.
My one is, when your legs don't work like they used to before. And then there's, have I told you lately that I loved you? And then, people get ready, there's a train coming, that looks like we made it. Look how far we've come, my baby. I guess you'll say. There was 101 songs, and that was like scratching the surface.
After this private concert and 3 hours of deliberating, the jury found that Sheeran had not infringed on Let's Get It On's copyright. A win for composers and enjoyers of pop music everywhere.